All right, today we're going to bring a beautiful chandelier, and this one comes with everything's included in here. They're well secure. Everything's in here, like the crystals. These are the actual crystals you're going to be enabled to hang. It comes with all the screws and all the setups and the actual different tiers that you need to set up. There's 2 tiers. This is the bottom one, this is the middle one, and that's the top. So pretty much you got to set this up, hang it up, and then you can start setting all the crystals. Now it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lights that you have to actually set up first too. You can short up the chain if you want. If it's too high or you don't have high ceilings, you could lower this down or raise it up. So it's an option that they give you. We're gonna set this up, including this heavy mount. So it's not heavy as it is. It's very light aluminum, so you don't need too much weight on it. And as long as you have a nice proper setup anchor, you should be good. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how well it looks. Little advice, when you're setting up the actual pillars for the next level, there's only one hole here that belongs to the screw. The other ones don't fit with the screws, so you're not going to be confused or anything. And this goes on the inside, right? It's like all right, let's take a look at the final product. Beautiful. Took me about maybe 2 or 3 hours because the crystals, there's a lot of crystals you got to install. You got to bend the actual needles, the little plugs, and set them up. But it's well worth it. Establishing beautiful light all around. It could be for your dining table, your hallway. Has a long chain. I had to short it up along with the actual cable. So if you have tall ceilings, this is perfect. Very beautiful gold, very elegant crystals, and they give you a whole set of another set in case this breaks or it comes broken. None of them are broken on the shipping. Everything's well covered and well protected. Beautiful, outstanding light. Simple to install, but the crystals took a long time. I did a time lapse on some of them. You got to take them apart and actually add the actual hooks, and that's what took a long time. But beautiful, well worth the wait. Very elegant indoor light.